So welcome to day 4
Is it day 4? It is.
of our Disney Fantasy Cruise. Today we're at the Grand Cayman, Georgetown Grand Cayman. We'll be exploring some crystal caves, but for now we got some breakfast.
And we can actually see the island already.
Yeah, you can kind of see the port.
We're taking tender boats to get out there later. And we're meeting our group at 10:15 to take a group excursion out to the Crystal Caves today and a beach.
Yep, and before that we got some breakfast.
Really random stuff. Mushrooms, bok choy, eggs, sausage.
And most important thing is the Mickey waffle.
Mine's a mini.
There's a
What'd
Mickey,
you get?
mine's a Mickey.
Oh!
Yeah, so I got 2 egg Benedicts, croissants, some bacon, mushrooms, and tomatoes. We are currently on a tender. I'm not sure if you can hear me, it's quite loud, but we're literally right next to our cruise ship.
Right there. There's people coming off.
I didn't know we could
Right
get so close to the cruise
there.
ship.
We're on the bus right now.
And then we go right now here for all this way. Go. Here, turn on the left side, and right here the crystal caves.
Okay.
This is around the 50 minutes. Then we will back all time for the only one way to go to the East the island. And then right here, the your tongue. West Bay is 7 Mile Beach. Right here, 7 Mile Beach, beautiful beach for you enjoy it. Okay?
Sounds good.
Are you ready to go?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. It's
Bumpy
like a
road again.
roller coaster road ride before we get to the cave.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
Good? Ready to have some fun?
Yep.
Ah,
We're heading to the caves. First, we're going to a tree house. Apparently, the tree house has Wi-Fi. Oh wow. Caves.
this is cool.
Welcome to the Cayman Crystal Caves.
Some people believe that the island is volcanic because of the rock formations you see on the outside, but no. What you see out there, guys, it's not lava, it's all limestone. It takes 100 years for a stalactite to grow 1 centimeter.
Oh my god.
Very, very slow growing. Come on in, guys. Mind your head, please, please, please. Welcome to Roots Cave, and this is why they call that cave Roots Cave. These are the roots from the wild fig.
Wow.
The tree stays above and send the roots down to look for fried chicken
Wow.
or anything in between. And some people call that the Statue of Liberty, guys. But if you're a real American, I know you will not buy that. Not a chance.
As you guys can see, these crystals sparkle because of the stalactites or something, the crystal formations. Anyway, they sparkle. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's cool.
But when the British citizens come over here, we don't tell them that that's not your home. We still tell them where to come from. The island lost.
Mind your head
5'5", don't worry.
on the way out.
Okay, I'm under 5'5", so.
You're fine.
My
You're one of the
no
short
head.
ones. Watch out for this.
Oh.
I mean, you can't even touch it, but that is, I believe that is the heart. More caves.
Would you go in there?
Not right now.
You know?
Maybe in the future.
You know what's interesting is they said that it's actually hotter in the caves than outside the caves, which I did not expect. I thought it was gonna be cooler inside.
Yeah,
but we were wrong.
Because I've been to these caves before, and they're usually like in really damp and lower areas. You have to walk down the stairs. So I guess because they're so surface level.
It is quite damp. I guess the whole area is very humid.
Yeah, it's humid, but damp is different though. I think cold is damp. Hot is humid. Spaceship. Spaceship.
It's a lake cave.
There's a lake inside apparently.
If you're trying to connect the dots from left to right, you can see how much they had to.
That made no difference.
They're all kind of.
How many guys? By far, this is the highest ceiling. Hey guys, check this out. It's a stalactite going inside another stalactite. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
Looks like a lily upside down. Do you know that flower, calla lily? Well, as your tour guide, that's all I can say. But if you guys want to comment, be my guest.
Bunch of faces.
Faces.
They look like a bunch of faces. They could be a bunch of faces.
You know, little snowman looking dude.
There's bats up there.
For you, everyone.
Oh, there it is. Oh,
A couple of them.
And everything you see here, guys, was completely blocked off. When they found the lake and in the light.
Oh, okay. I mean, it's still warmish air.
What do you see up there? I can spell it from here. D-U-C-T.
What's a duct?
Oh, you know what that means?
AC.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
See, guys, I don't lie like that, unless if I have to, but not today, bro. Down here, the lake is about 400 feet from that direction, guys, and the depth is 2 to 3 feet. The water is extremely fresh. Some people drink it, and guess what?
They die.
They're all still alive.
Oh, okay.
You cannot go into the lake to look up the ceiling, so they bring the ceiling down for you, and that's what they call the mirror effects or reflection.
Oh, it's beautiful. Those are little upside down houses in an upside down kingdom.
Cute.
Isn't that cute?
Very cute.
It's like a little. It looks like almost like a fossil.
Like a dinosaur head.
Yeah.
Today, they should.
So we're at the beach, but it is pouring rain. And so after sitting here for like 10 minutes in the parking lot,
No one's getting off their buses. Right.
everybody voted and decided we're going to go back to the port. But that gives us more time to do some shopping.
Oh
Maybe
yeah.
look for souvenirs.
Rain's got worse, so
Show you.
souvenirs.
As long as it's good weather.
Pouring rain. Can we bring it back?
I think so.
So many different rum cakes. Did a bit of a detour because it's raining.
This place is called
Went to a rum cake factory. I was just in the picture.
yeah.
Quick little
I
stop.
want to see what's venue.
So we'll be doing large cakes, you can fit 6 of these trays here. If we're doing medium, we can do 9, so everything goes into the oven down in the far right corner. It's a rotary oven with 6 levels.
So, what did you get?
Some Jamaican beef patties. Really excited about it.
They're good. And it's in the inside. Cool. What an unexpected stop. Oh, it's thundering.
So we're basically waiting for the fireworks right now, or not waiting for a pirate show.
It's very windy outside.
It's very windy. We're hoping it doesn't stay too windy, or at least we stay still later when the fireworks come, so we can still see the fireworks. But for now, we're getting ready for this show in the middle of the sea. It's called The Pirate's Life for Me, or something.
I have no idea what it's called, but
It's like something Pirates with Mickey and friends.
the tube.
There are people in the tube. Anyway, we're just getting ready. They have the kids area set. And it's pirate night. I forgot to say it's pirate night. That's why the wife chose to wear a bandana today.
Fun bunch of pirates I know. Please welcome Ricky's Pirate Crew!
Looking for Yo-Yo.
Opera Pirates of the Caribbean, welcome to all of you Disney fantasy pirates! Please give a big Buccaneer cheer for Pirate Donald!
Pirate Donald.
Next, we have the most dazzling damsel attraction this year, Pirates Wild Heart. Lovely Alicia cheers for the Queen Bee. Why not the Pirate Daisy?
Pirate Daisy. Woo!
Hello, everyone. I said the course for fun. How about you?
Next up, the deadliest pirates will ever drift over a gangplank! Let your cheers fill the sails for the Queen Bee! It's Pirate Duffy! Wave the anchor! Hoist the color! Swab a boat! Deck your swabs! Oh, and don't forget the nail fun, too!
We sure are,
Well done, you partying pirates!
Mickey Mouse.
And a big ahoy there to all of you too! All right, big finish! Away, 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 just waiting for you. Come on, you brave one, Buccaneers, to live the life of Irish life. Come on, come on, come on, come on, to live the life we love. Live the stormy channel. Away, 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 to live the life we love.
asks you a question, loud and proud, say, aye,
Captain.
Well done, Bigby! Are you ready for the last test? All right, crew, moving on. On to lesson number 5. Lesson number 5! Lesson number 5!
Oh, yeah, treasure! Now shake your booty from coast to coast.
Right jump! Hey, crew!
Can it be Captain Hook?
We've got company! Mr. Snake!
Do pardon my interruption of your festivities, but you'll be needing to make way immediately, or sooner.
But why?
So we don't get hit by that cannon.
Captain, come aboard, boys.
The new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine! Mr. Smith, status report.
Aye, Captain. All loose ends are tied up,
Oh no.
so to speak.
So that was fun. That was different. We actually, for the first time, we got the backstage of what happens at Hook and Smeet.
Yeah, that show is always a good time.
Yeah, it was
Kind of similar to the other ships,
but it's a little bit different.
but a little.
Yeah, it was fun. Now we're gonna go for a pirate dinner, and we'll be back on fireworks.
Back in the same spot. Actually, pull in if you're going to watch the fireworks on the
Watch it from the starboard side.
So if you're facing the screen, go to the right side.
On the screen.
That's where the fireworks are going to go. You know,
Yep.
maybe down there, because we're off with Destin Conrad.
That's right. Anyway, we're gonna go for dinner. We'll talk to you in a bit. So we're back for the Jack Sparrow pirate thing
The fireworks now.
with the pirates.
We just finished dinner.
It was great.
Delicious.
Yep. And we're getting ready for the pirate thing. As you can see, this is like this is
We're here
45 minutes early, and it's already packed on the railings. Especially this side, because this is where the fireworks are going to be coming from. Up there somewhere. So we're quite excited, and close to the show we'll start it. But look at the stage, it's pretty cool too. It's different than the one we had before.
It is different.
Yeah, so we're excited about that.
Ahoy, mateys, and welcome aboard! Where be my pirates? If everyone be worth their salt, and faithful up on the mast, say aye!
Something a little bit more flashy, a bit more unpredictable, and a lot more explosive. Run up the cannon, blow the powder, and light the fuse. Here's to my new crew and the new adventure, a pirate's life for me. All right, everyone, let's say it all together, shall we? A pirate's life for me.
The sea's been kind today, but who can tell what lies ahead? Here's luck and a fair wind to ye. And remember, dead men tell no tales.
Oh. Aye aye. Matey, what do we have here? What is our new friend?
I'm pretty sure it's Barbosa.
Oh, that is basically, you know,
No.
the girl in
It's Barbosa.
the frog and the prince.
No.
Frog and the princess that she wears this hat.
It's Barbosa.
And that's another hat.
We kept him.
Two hats. Two hats.
Oh, there is day 4 of the Disney Wish.
And tomorrow we'll be going to some Dolphin Cove.
We are going to Falmouth in Jamaica for an excursion where we get to meet some dolphins and other animals. But it is bright and early at 7 a.m. so we are going straight to bed.
Yeah. So anyway, we'll see you tomorrow, bright and early.
Bye!